Hello all, welcome to this channel. In our previous video, we have learned four different methods of entering serial numbers in Excel sheet while doing data entry. So today we are going to check which method is more accurate. All right. For example, like you can use any one of it. There is no such obligation. Whichever you like, you can just use it. All these methods are being using in data entry. But we will discuss which method will be more accurate when we do data entry. For example, I'll give you an example. This is my item list, and this is the quantity of the item. Okay, let's say QTY, quantity of the item, 100, 200, 100 again, 20, 30, 10, 5, 2. Okay, this is my quantity, like this is my quantity for the item. So in some cases what happens, you will see this item number C's quantities got 0. Like it does not have any quantity, and it does when it does not have any quantity, there won't be any particular like further sales or anything like that. So this needs to be deleted from my list. Okay, so we cannot carry zeros in the quantity, right? So if we carry zeros, there our list will be much longer. So we just remove. We just wanted to in a scenario. Let's take a scenario whereby we need to remove this item C because it no longer exists. Okay. So in that case, if I delete this like this, it is not a valid this thing, because you will see an empty cells coming in the data, which is not correct way of deleting. Okay, and here also the serial number shows 8, whereas you have only 7 items, which is not correct. It's not a correct way of deleting any data. So if you want to delete, you have to delete the whole row of it. So if you delete the whole row, what impact it will come on the serial numbers for all our four methods? Let's see. Now I'm trying to delete. I'm deleting this. So when I delete it, you will see, Manuel, just read it. You will see in autofill number 3 is missing because we deleted. Correct. So it did not auto corrected it. So and when we go to formula number 1, which is very basic, we have added 1 to the upper cell. There also you will see error coming, right, after we deleted that particular row. But when we check the row formula, we have not seen any such thing. The serial is continuously coming, and there is no error in the serial number. It is auto corrected itself. So based on this example, based on this scenario, using row formula for serial numbers will be more accurate and error free. Thank you.